Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Oracle espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work. We had to descale deeply this machine. There was a lot of scale build up. You can kind of see a little bit of coming around here, but this was just all over the machine. We had to really do a deep descale, deep clean the water level probes of the boiler manually, remove them and clean them, as well as this Kanen machine, replace the o-rings of the boilers as well, and replace the gasket of the machine, the shower head of the machine, and just give it a good clean. There was so much scale build up on it that it really definitely was clogging up part of the boiler, and even the descale axis was gonna clog, so we had to get the machine up to pressure and then remove this, and with the pressure itself it was able to get unclogged. So we descaled this machine and just did a good cleaning, which the machine really needed. We also cleaned the grinders, removed the burrs, removed all that coffee buildup from there, and yeah, just good clean. So starting one shot, two double shot espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grand series for this machine, which is gonna be 12. Otherwise we're gonna see coffee or coffee for dripping. And it's going to be coffee barrel dripping. Probably I did tamper a bit too hard for the machine. Hopefully get some channeling and we'll be able to see the coffee being extracted. But unfortunately that wasn't the case, so let's do that again. As I tampered a bit too hard and put it a bit finer for this machine. Looking a bit better, but as I said before, it's just channeling through there and it's just not doing a good shot of espresso, as I use very fine settings of this machine and probably tampered way too hard for it. Still, we were able to see a good layer of crema on top of the shot. Looking great. Hot water working perfectly fine. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Great temperature and steam. There's really good steam pressure coming out of this steamer one. As you can see, working great. And there you have it, Breville Oracle working once again. So thank you so much for the Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.